Prime Cymru is a Wales-based charity that supports people who are 50 and over to become and remain economically active through employment, self-employment, volunteering, as well as training and further learning opportunities as well. But this enables us to register you on the programme as well, so that we can capture active inclusion. You know, the part of the theme of that is getting people back to work, so making people economically active, and that's, you know, exactly our mission. The support from the active inclusion team has been amazing, very, very supportive. Everybody wants the projects to succeed, and they'll do what they can to help you. You phone up anybody or contact anybody. Yeah, it's an absolutely fantastic experience. The people that we are working with, the intervention we've given them has proved very positive. They're very pleased with what the support that they've been given. We had a lady who came to us. She wasn't doing anything. She was sat at home, you know, doing nothing, not engaging with anybody or anything, just completely isolated. And she met with our development officer in the area, talked through what she wanted to do, and then she ended up volunteering for 2 organisations. I mean, there was no stopping her once she started. You know, she felt she had nothing to give, nothing to do, and sort of reviewing what skills and experience she had, we found that there were opportunities that would suit her experience, but also her personality. You know, really pleased to say that she's still doing the 2 roles, and she was looking to do a little bit of part-time self-employed work as well. Without the Active Inclusion Fund, we wouldn't be delivering what we're delivering at the moment. We'd be a far smaller scale delivery, only in certain areas in Wales, and not reaching those harder to reach people that we can through the Active Inclusion Fund.